How big is the universe, really? And what lies at its edge? This video will reveal the answers to you. Now, we are about to embark on a journey. From Earth, traveling to the far reaches of the solar system, then onward to the Milky Way. Passing through unimaginably vast superclusters of galaxies, and finally, reaching the very edge of the universe, to uncover the ultimate mystery of what lies beyond. The first stop on our journey is the Moon. The Moon, also known as Earth's satellite. As early as 1969, Apollo astronaut Neil Armstrong set foot on the lunar surface, leaving humanity's very first footprint. Next, we arrive at Venus. Venus's atmosphere is composed of 96% carbon dioxide. This has created an extreme greenhouse effect, raising its surface temperature to a staggering 462 degrees Celsius. Sometimes, at night in the southwest sky, you will see a very bright star. That is, most likely Venus. Mercury, however, is the smallest of the 8 planets, and also the closest one to the Sun. The Sun shines like a blazing fireball, because nuclear fusion is happening inside it constantly. Yet even nuclear fuel will eventually run out. And when that day comes, the Sun will meet its end. Earth is the 3rd planet from the Sun. The average distance between Earth and Sun is defined as 1 astronomical unit, about 150 million kilometers. At this distance, sunlight takes 8 minutes to travel before reaching Earth's surface. Mars, known as a desert planet, although its surface is covered with hills and ancient traces, still lies within the habitable zone, meaning it has conditions somewhat similar to Earth. Therefore, Mars has become a key research target for many nations. Beyond the asteroid belt lies Jupiter. Jupiter is a massive gas giant with no solid surface at all. Its oval-shaped Great Red Spot is an enormous anticyclonic storm, so large that it could fit 2 to 3 Earths inside. Continuing onward, we reach Saturn. Do you see those countless icy fragments? They are the very building blocks of Saturn's rings. And in July 2013, the Cassini spacecraft, while studying Saturn, captured this stunning image of Saturn with Earth in the background. That tiny blue dot is our home, Earth. At the edge of the solar system, we find Uranus and Neptune. These two are considered twin planets, both belonging to the category of ice giants. Their atmospheres contain methane gas, which gives them their unique colors. Together, the 8 planets orbit around the Sun, forming the celestial family we call the solar system. As we continue outward toward the edge of the universe, we realize the entire solar system is nothing more than a tiny speck of light. Each of these faint specks of light is a star, just like our Sun, and around each star orbit their own planets. Looking further out, we discover more than 200 billion stars here, each shining brilliantly, together forming the vast Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way itself is an even larger system, with a diameter of about 100,000 light. Earth lies on the outskirts of this galaxy. When night falls, that glowing white band across the sky is actually a spiral arm of the Milky Way, traveling to 0.5 million light-years farther. We reach the Andromeda Galaxy. It is the closest large galaxy to the Milky Way, containing 1 trillion stars within it. Yet, even so, the immense Andromeda Galaxy and the Milky Way together form part of the local group, a collection of about 50 galaxies, known as the local group, where we belong. Looking further outward, the local group itself is just one small piece of the Virgo supercluster. This vast region consists of around 100 galaxy groups and clusters, making up an even larger structure. Each bright point here represents an enormous galaxy. Our Milky Way, too, is just one of these points. And yet, compared to the greater universe beyond, even the Virgo supercluster is only the tip of the iceberg. Now, as we accelerate toward the cosmic edge, the universe is filled almost entirely with galaxies, each galaxy containing hundreds of billions of stars. So the total number of stars in the universe may well exceed all the grains of sand on every beach on Earth, because of vast distances and the finite speed of light. The sunlight you see is from 8 minutes ago. The Andromeda Galaxy you see is as it was over 2.5 million years ago, which leads to the question: if we could look far enough, would we be seeing the dawn of the universe itself? Before reaching the cosmic boundary, we witnessed the birth of galaxies and the first generation of massive stars, which brought forth the oldest light in the cosmos. At this moment, we are arriving at the final stop of our journey. So, what truly is the edge of the universe? The answer is now before your eyes. A point of infinite density, infinitesimal volume, infinite temperature, and infinite curvature of space-time. This is the edge of the universe, as it appeared 13.8 billion years ago, before the universe even came into being. In 1927, Belgian astronomer Georges Lemaître first proposed the Big Bang theory, a cornerstone of modern cosmology. When that singularity exploded, time and space were born, along with light and the universe itself. The fragments ejected in the explosion became all the celestial bodies we see today. Even now, the light from the Big Bang continues to travel, and was recorded in detail by the European Space Agency's Planck telescope. This light is known as the cosmic microwave background, the strongest evidence that the Big Bang truly happened. Standing at the true edge of the universe, we realize how small Earth really is, and how vast the cosmos stretches. To be honest, even if Earth were to suddenly vanish, the universe itself would remain completely unaffected. So then, what is the true meaning of our existence in this boundless cosmos? Why are we here, as tiny beings in an infinite universe? What is our purpose in this grand cosmic story?